Hello everyone, I'm CA Vaibhav Agarwal from Lucknow. I became a chartered accountant yesterday and secured All India rank 34. And trust me, this feeling is really fulfilling. I took a DT and ADT classes from Farooq Haq sir, and I can surely say that he is the best. There's no one there is no one that can be there in every way possible. Not just teaching, the way he lifts up everyone. See, one thing that I've learned from sir is not to give up, and that has only helped me be a chartered accountant today. Because if I tell you a small snapshot of my journey, I went through an unfortunate accident 4 years ago, and my right arm is injured basically, and I can't write for more than 2 hours at a stretch. And you all know how lengthy and how difficult it is to get through it just in 2 hours. So the thing is, see, the fact is, I did give up in between, but it was sir, family, my friends that had that belief in me that no, you can do it. And yes, that gave me the strength that yes, I can do it. This feeling is unbelievable, trust me. But that is all I'll say, that don't give up. Put in all that you have, give it all of it. Because at the end of the day, when I became a chartered accountant yesterday, irrespective of the rank, that feeling is unexpressible. It was all worth it. All the pain, all the struggle, all the sleepless nights, the way I cried and gave my exam in the examination center, and I was bandaged in my lower back and my right arm. Still, I didn't stop. I gave both the groups, cleared in first attempt. So that feeling, no, all of it is worth it, trust me. So don't give up. Keep fighting. And the day you will become a chartered accountant, trust me, you'll forget everything. It will be all worth it, and everything will seem to fall in place. And that feeling, this feeling, is the best in the world. There can be nothing better than this. And all thanks to sir for being the mentor he is. The motivation he gives, he didn't let me fall down basically. See, everyone motivates you, but the way sir tells those things, communicates those things, that stick into your head. कहते हैं ना, वो जहन में बस जाती हैं वो बातें. तो वो ही कहीं ना कहीं मैं मानता हूँ कि मुझे आगे लेके गई. तो मैं बहुत बहुत तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ सर का. थैंक यू सर फॉर ऑलवेज बीइंग देयर. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई एम really fortunate to have been your student, have studied from you, have heard you, and this is the best. I couldn't have asked for more. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.